They say if heaven had a reflection on earth, it would look like this night. A million diyas light up the sacred Ganga, chants rise with the smoke of incense, and the sky dances with colors of fire and laser beams. This is Dev Deepavali, the festival of lights of the gods, celebrated only in Varanasi, the spiritual heart of India. Dev Deepavali means the Diwali of the gods. It's celebrated on the full moon night of Kartik Purnima, 15 days after Diwali. According to ancient belief, this is when Lord Shiva defeated the demon Tripurasura, and the gods themselves descended to the Ganga to celebrate that victory. Every diya you see here is an offering to welcome those divine beings back to earth. It's not just a festival, it's devotion painted in light. In 2025, Dev Deepavali will be celebrated on November 5th across all 84 ghats of Varanasi, from Assi Ghat to Raj Ghat. But the heart of it beats strongest at Dashashwamedh Ghat, where priests perform the grand Ganga Aarti, and the steps shimmer under thousands of flickering diyas. Nearby, the sacred Sri Kashi Vishwanath temple becomes a beacon of faith, its golden spire reflecting the glow of millions of lamps. As dusk descends, the entire riverbank transforms into a living dream. Priests in saffron robes raise brass lamps to the sky as conch shells echo across the Ganga. The air smells of sandalwood, and every face, Indian or foreign, glows with awe. Then, as the night deepens, fireworks erupt across the skyline, painting the heavens in red and gold. And for the past few years, a spectacular laser light show near Chet Singh Ghat and Dashashwamedh Ghat turns the river into a cosmic stage, blending tradition with technology. It's a moment where time, light, and faith merge into something eternal. The tradition of Dev Deepavali began nearly 3 centuries ago, when saints of Kashi decided that the gods deserved a Diwali of their own. Devotees take a holy dip in the Ganga at dawn, believed to wash away sins, then offer diyas at night to express gratitude for life, light, and liberation. Locals say, if you light a lamp on this night, it lights your soul for the next life. If you are planning to witness this divine night, here's how to make your trip smooth and unforgettable. Arrive 2 to 3 days before. The 5-day Ganga Mahotsav happens just before Dev Deepavali, with cultural shows, classical music, and dance on the ghats. For the best view, reach Dashashwamedh or Assi Ghat by Dopahar ke 3:30. Later, it becomes nearly impossible to move through the crowds. Book a boat ride in advance. The view from the river, as thousands of diyas float on the water, is simply magical. Stay near Assi or Shivala Ghat, close enough to walk, far enough from chaos. Visit Kashi Vishwanath temple early morning, it's quieter, and you'll feel the true spiritual pulse of Varanasi. Photographers, tip: long exposure shots of floating diyas or reflections during fireworks capture unreal frames. And don't leave without tasting Banarsi food, crispy kachoris, spicy tomato chaat, creamy malayo, and the iconic Banarsi pan. Street stalls glow just like the ghats, and every bite tastes like celebration. Food here isn't just to fill your stomach, it's to fill your soul. For foreigners, Dev Deepavali is India distilled into one night: sound, color, chaos, and peace, all at once. For Indians, it's a reminder that light always wins, even in the darkest times. Standing by the Ganga, watching millions of diyas float away, you realize, this isn't just light on water, it's humanity's hope reflected back to the heavens. As the final diya flickers and the chants fade into silence, you feel something shift inside. Maybe it's peace, maybe it's faith, or maybe it's the light we all carry, waiting to be lit. That's the magic of Dev Deepavali, the night the gods themselves come to admire the beauty of earth. If this journey touched your heart, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a little light, and subscribe for more spiritual travel stories from across the world. Until next time, keep traveling and keep glowing.